So yeah, so adding code to the site is very easy. I mean, you don't need to know anything. You don't need to be code savvy at all. It's really just a simple copy paste because you're going to be working on marketing tools. Okay. So again, a lot of, well, I would say even most marketing tool websites provide you with code snippets that you copy and paste into your site. Okay, so there are two ways that you can paste code on your website. So you can do it with adding code to the page itself, or adding code as if it was an iframe, but in Weby'nar, we don't have that anymore. Okay, so adding code to page. Let me just show you what to do when you need to add code to the page. So marketing websites will give you like script codes. So what you need to do, you need to go to pages. Under home, you're going to click on the code icon here. And you're going to have two tabs: add code to page, add code to all pages. In our case, we're only working on one page. And you're going to see the head. The script, the JavaScript that they give you, need to be put on the head. Okay. Now there is another way that I wanted to point out that that you're able to add code to the site as well, is through our HTML widget. Now, sorry, I'm missing a D here. To do that, you're going to go on your elements panel. You're going to select the HTML tab, drag and drop the HTML element, and inside that element you can insert your code, or if you want more advanced properties of that code that you pasted in here, you can put head, CSS, and JavaScript. Now this element lets you. It's not an iframe. Okay, a lot of web builders have not exactly the same element. They have the same element, but instead of integrating the code into your website, it's basically iframing it, meaning that when you publish, you're going to see on the source code iframe and the code that you put inside. Now we used to have that, and we changed that completely. We made sure that it's not going to iframe it, but it's going to integrate the code that you pasted inside inside your landing page or website. But this is not the subject of this webinar. I do want to go over marketing tools. So the first marketing tool that I'm going to use is called SumoMe. Okay, SumoMe lets you make pop-ups. It lets you do a bunch of things. Just by the way, if you go on Weby'nar right now and we scroll down, I mean, it should. Oh, here you go. So you have we call this the hello bar. Okay, so request a live demo and you're scheduled for the demo, right? So I'm going to show you how to use that, but for your own landing page or website even. So I'm already logged into Sumo. I'm going to go to my sites. When you create an account with Sumo, which by the way, it's completely free, 100% free. There are premium features, but it's completely free. This is the Weby'nar. No, I want to go to my account. Sorry, give me a minute. Let me log in. Yeah, there you go. Whoops, delete. Okay, so let's add a new website. First of all, I need to publish this website. Before I publish this website, I do want to change the site number, etc., etc. So what I need to do, I need to go back to my dashboard. There you go. So I'm going to go to the settings of the landing page or the site. I'm going to have general, so I can name my website. Domain and email, so I can add a new domain. Design, let's call it perfect screen. Let's call it LP for landing page. Perfect screen. .yannbobot.com. There you go. I add it, and now I'm going to set it as a primary, and now I can go in, republish, and you're going to see that it's exactly the subdomain that I have inserted. There you go. LP perfect screen yannbobot.com. Perfect. Amazing. So I'm going to copy this because SumoMe is going to ask me where do you want my extension to go. So we're going to paste my website, add site. Cool. Automatically, they're going to send you this script. It's already copied to the clipboard. Okay, that's how smart they are. So it's already copied. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go here, pages, home. So under home, I clicked on add code to site, and here I'm just going to paste it. There you go. You're not coding whatsoever. You're not doing anything. Okay. And then you publish because it needs to be published. Cool. I also want to add that it's extremely important to put a page title, okay, that we're going to go over very soon. So we can now visit the site, which is going to lead me to the site itself. And you're going to see on the top right, this is the panel. Only you can see that, okay? Let's go back to Sumo. You can reach to the panel through here. There you go. Let's choose List Builder. List Builder is a plugin to gather a list, okay, of emails, for example. So yes, no, continue the app. I want to design the app first. There you go. I have nothing inside. Let's create a new pop-up. Okay, this is what I want to do. I want to create a pop-up. Let's call it LP Webinar. Webinar, because it's Webido. Okay, let's go. All right, so what do I want? I want to collect emails. I want to add a call to action button, as you can see here. I want to get social shares, collect info through custom code. So what do I want? I want to gather emails. Now, at the bottom, let's click on design. How do I want to design it? So it's really, really easy to do. Okay, so the background, I'm just going to change a bit. Kind of know Weby'nar colors, if I'm not mistaken. It's 181818. Yeah. Cool. I'm going to click. Oh, sorry. I'm going to click inside, change that, upload my media. So let's go to Yann. I forgot where I put the logo. Oh, I think I know. I apologize. LP recording, LP magnet landing page. There you go. It should be, there you go. Aha. Okay. Are you as excited to see what am I going to do? I'm for sure excited to show you exactly how it works. Okay, so have I uploaded that? This. Save, please. There you go. Okay, cool. But again, I forgot what color is this. Let's analyze that very quickly. Oh dear. Aha, there you go. Okay, I'm just going to copy that. This is the background. Perfect. Cool. The no thanks, I don't want it, so I'm going to delete it. This will be also the same color. Wonderful. Let's call this you give email, we give ebook. Cool. And let's change that to not 32, 26. That's good. Here, instead of sign up, I will say don't, no worries. Let's call it no worries. We don't spam. Perfect. All good. Now visibility. So they have the smart mode, which means that they basically choose how many times it's going to show, but you also have the manual mode that lets you decide what you're going to do. Okay, so you can, a visitor hasn't seen a pop-up in 1 month, so put it back. Okay, I don't want a month, I want an hour, 2 hours. Okay, 2. Okay, timed show pop-up after 3 seconds if a visitor hasn't seen a pop-up in 2 hours. Cool. Next, success. The success is like a thank you, okay, but it has its own. I didn't design it, so you're gonna see the normal default one. And all you need to do is, oh, you can also connect to an email service such as MailChimp, such as Infusionsoft, anything. So this is kind of a premium feature, but don't worry about it. Save and exit. Are you saving a saved pop-up? Do you want to enable it now? Yes. Okay, cool. So this is my website. Let's copy that. Oh, let's copy the link and let's open incognito window. Paste it here. I'm gonna send it to you as well. Okay, and you're gonna see, I'm gonna scroll down and you're gonna see a pop-up happening. Should be happening in 2 seconds. I don't know why it's not working. I sent it to you. Why don't you test it? Oh, it was off. Now it's on. Sorry. Let's refresh that. Let's try it again. Am I missing something? No, not this one. List builder is on. Let's edit it. No visibility. This is the design mode. Visibility. Show pop-up after 3 seconds. Oh, worked on my side. Okay, I see that it works. I don't know. Oh, here we go. There you go. Works for me too. Okay, happy that it works. Okay, so you can see that, you just designed it. You just copy the code that SumoMe gave you, and you put it on the head of the code. This is how to add code. Okay. All right. So this is 1. 2.